Hello everyone, myself Vijay Pratap. I am a student of BTech 4th year of Civil Engineering Department in University of Lucknow. Here I am going to present a seminar on the topic of recycled aggregate concrete under the guidance of Mr. Jitendra Pratap Singh. Here the contents of my seminar topic which I have to discuss in the presentation. Introduction, how its rapidly growth in construction industry, what is RAC, demolition and construction waste generated, benefits, advantages, disadvantages and conclusion. Introduction. Before this, we all are the familiar with concrete and recycling. Concrete is a composite material of mixture of water, cement paste, aggregate and sand. And recycling is the process of converting waste material into new material. The material is called as the recycled aggregate, which is produced by the concrete crusher. The aggregates are categorized by its size as coarse and fine aggregates. The coarse aggregates are those aggregates which retain under 4.75 mm of sieves, and fine aggregates are those aggregates which passes through the 4.75 mm of sieves. These are the data which is the recent research of Federonia Group has found the global demand of aggregates for the constructions is 51 billion metric tons in 2019, which is increasing day by day as the demand of aggregates in the construction industries. And investigation results of Environmental Source Limited 1979 of European Economic Community members of countries found the 55 million tons by 1980 and 302 million tons by 2020. It shows that how the construction industries are growing up in the future. Rapid growth in constructions. These pictures shows that how fast the constructions work going on everywhere. We see some beautiful roads, beautiful bridges and high-rise buildings, which is also showing in the figures, and we can see that how the construction industry is growing so fast in the upcoming future generation. And if the same rate of construction will continue, then what will happen in 2050? Then no natural aggregates means if no natural aggregates remains, then no construction work will be done, and no constructions work of any building industries, bridges, dams, roads and pavements are taken place, then no jobs or the jobs of the civil engineer. Are natural aggregates are enough for the future construction? No natural aggregates is equals to no construction, then no job for civil engineers, no any natural aggregates left because natural aggregates are as the limited source and it is going to be decreasing day by day. It depends directly on the rate of construction. It means if there is no natural aggregates, then no constructions will be taken place in the construction industry. Then scientists and researchers think about the introducing a new construction material, which is recycled aggregate concrete in construction. The final product is collected from the crushing and separated from the contamination obtained from the construction and demolition waste resources such as concrete waste, broken bricks, gravel, bridges supports, roads, pavements, concrete road beds, etc. What is recycled aggregate concrete? It's a lower density, lower elastic modulus, strength and high water absorption capacity. Recycled aggregate has a proportional mortar which is attached to the aggregate. It gives higher porosity and lower strength to RAC than the normal concrete. In addition, since recycled aggregate requires a more amount of water than the natural aggregate, the shrinkage could be a problematic issue to use RAC in practical use. Demolition waste generated the demolition waste are basically generated by the terrorist attack, age limit of a buildings or the natural disaster like earthquakes, cyclones, floods, etc. This figure shows that if we use the demolished waste material as a new recycled material of concrete aggregate, the amount of aggregate is sufficient and it can be again used as a new material by removing the contaminants and after recycling the old one. Quantity of construction and demolition waste generated. This data shows that the how construction and demolition waste generated everywhere in the different countries. Construction and demolition waste are generally annually in the world are as follows. 14.5 million tons in India and 13 million tons in France, 10 to 15 million tons in Japan, 20 million tons in Hong Kong, which shows a high amount of construction and demolition waste generated everywhere in the following countries. Benefits of recycling aggregate concrete. These are the benefits. Converge diminishing natural aggregate resource, use of construction waste generated, protection of environment, save money, create additional business opportunity. Process of recycle aggregate concrete. The process which is taking place in the recycling process are as follows. First crushing, then pre-sizing, sorting, screening and contaminant elimination. Then these are the procedure of recycling, how the recycling takes place. First of all, breaking up and removing of the old concrete, then crushing in the primary and secondary crushers, and after that removing of reinforcement steel and embedded items which are present in the concrete, grading and washing, finally the stockpiling and the separation of coarse and fine aggregate. And after that we collect the waste aggregate concrete and making M20 concrete mixture, and after we take into the laboratory for the test and its verification. Properties and experimental verification. First, particle size distribution. Sieve analysis is done after crushing and sieving as per the IS code of 2386. It is done to separate out the coarse and fine aggregate. Recycled aggregate meets all the standard requirements of the natural aggregates. Then, specific gravity and water absorption. Specific gravity of ranges of recycled aggregate concrete lies found from the 2.35 to 2.58, which is slightly lower than the natural aggregate. Water absorption ranges between the 3.05% to the 7.40%, which is slightly higher than the natural aggregates. Then modulus of elasticity. RAC has a lower than the NAC up to the 50% only, which RAC stands for the recycled aggregate concrete and NAC stands for the natural aggregate concrete. It can be increased if the hardened cement paste add to here the aggregate are removed well. Then compressive strength. The average value of compressive strength cube caster are determined as per the IS 516 using RC and the natural aggregate as the 137, 14, 28 and 90 tests. Reduction in strength of the RCH compared to NCH 2 to 14% for M20 grade of concrete. Then the use of recycled aggregate concrete in the construction industry. It is used in the paved road as a aggregate base, aggregate subbase and shoulders, in gravel roads as a surfacing, as a base for building foundation, as fill for the utility of trenchages. Local governments can help to promote the market and the recycled aggregate because they are large purchasers of aggregate and the other road construction products which are used in the construction industry. Application. In general application, without any processing includes many types of general bulk fills, bank protection, base or fill for drainage structures, road construction, noise barriers and embankments. After removal of contaminants through which the selective demolition screening crushed concrete can be used as the following. New concrete for the pavement, shoulders, median, barrier, sidewalk, etc. Structural grade concrete, soil, cement pavement bases, lean concrete bases, bituminous concrete, etc. Advantages of recycled aggregate. Here these are the list of advantages of recycled aggregate concrete. First, it reduces the amount of virgin aggregates to be created and less excavation of natural resources will occur. It reduces the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere, converts landfill space, reduces the needs of new landfills. If RAC is used, then it saves more costs of construction, create more employment opportunity in the recycle industry. Disadvantages of recycled aggregate concrete. The disadvantages of recycled aggregate concrete are as the following. It's downgrading of quality of concrete, increase in water absorption capacity up to 3 to 9%, decrease in the compressive strength of concrete, reduce workability of concrete, lack of specification and guidelines, lack of durability in RAC, but it can be improved by using fly ash. Recycled aggregate concrete used in India. Currently, India has a severe damage of infrastructural facilities. So, India is constructing its own base of foundation at a very fast rate. In the process of construction and reconstruction, it has been become the second largest producers of cement after China, but it not make place in the top 10 recycled aggregate concrete industry of the other country. One of the main reason of lack of proper source of concrete in India, but it will can be fulfilled by the help of Gulf Corporation Council GCC countries like UAE, Saudi Arabia and etc. And now as the government gearing up for the development of new cities, building roads etc. for the production of gate are open for the production of RAC. Conclusion. The use of RAC is proved to be a valuable building material in the technical and the environmental and the economical aspects. Recycle and reuse is an appropriate solution for the problem of dumping thousands of tons of demolition waste. The shortage of natural aggregates can be addressed by RAC. More research and initiation application of RCA is started to modifying our design codes specification procedures for use of RCA. Countries like UAE and Saudi Arabia, India has also take some serious urgent measures for the scope of RAC, and if done so, then concrete recycling will become one of the most important elements for the construction sustainability in the industry. These are all from my side. Thank you.